Hi, my name is Norman. Sometimes the market behaves like a human being, first confident, then doubtful, then moving forward again. I always observe these changes through the prism of strategy. One indicator shows mood, the other shows determination. When they match, the market seems to find its voice. Today, I will show you how the strategy helps you feel this dynamic, to see not just the price, but the state of the market. My name is Norman. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'm starting. First of all, let's get the tools ready for work. I set classic candlesticks. The time frame is 1 minute. Go to the Indicators tab and select Ichimoku and Williams. Setting up Ichimoku. Tenkan Sen put 7. Kijun Sen 14. Go to the style and disable the bottom 3 lines. Saving. Let's set up Williams, period. We set 7, switching to the style. Lines -20 and -80 are disabled. We set the width of the main line to 2. Saving. The indicators are ready to work. Friend, if you have any questions after watching the video, then be sure to write to me in private messages in the Telegram, and I will be happy to help you. I start trading with a clear situation on the chart. Expiration is 2 minutes. I open a trade for sale for $1,000. Now I will explain in detail how to work with this strategy and what points are worth paying attention to. The first signal comes from Ichimoku. When the yellow line crosses the red line from top to bottom, it is an early sign of a trend change. Such an intersection indicates that the market is losing its upward momentum and a downward phase is beginning. This moment often becomes the starting point for the formation of a new downward momentum. Further confirmation comes from Williams. Its turquoise line crosses the thin middle line from top to bottom. This is the second confirmation that the market is really turning around. The indicator shows a weakening of buying activity and increased pressure from sellers. When both signals coincide, the probability of a successful downward movement increases significantly. Ichimoku shows the moment of the change of direction, and Williams confirms the strength of the downward momentum. This combination of signals allows you to act confidently and enter the market at the very beginning of the trend. I'm making a profit of $920, which is a great pace to start the day. Are you looking for a community of traders where fresh market analysis and trading ideas are published every day? My free Telegram channel is just for that. Here, we discuss strategies, share experiences, and grow together. If there's anything you don't understand about the video, write to me and I'll explain. Link to the channel in the description. Come and join. In the channel, you will find useful recommendations and tips for more confident trading. After a few minutes, a new signal is generated. Expiration is 2 minutes. I open a trade for sale for $1,500. Both indicators clearly indicate a decline, and the chart fully confirms their signals. The price is approaching the resistance zone, where the upward momentum is noticeably weakening. Candles lose their power, the movement becomes smoother, and a clear change of mood appears on the market. The selling pressure is gradually increasing, and the dynamics are turning in a downward direction. Each new candle highlights the growing activity of sellers and the weakening of buyers. This movement structure looks stable and logical. The market is smoothly moving into a declining phase. Judging by the current dynamics, the downward momentum has every chance of developing further. The probability of a continued downward movement remains high, and the trend looks confident and consistent. Another $1,380 profit. The work is proceeding smoothly and according to plan. A new opportunity appears on the chart. With an expiration of 2 minutes, I open a trade to buy $1,000. After a long period of decline, the market is finally starting to revive. The first clear signs of a trend change appear on the chart. Candlesticks become larger and form confidently, demonstrating the appearance of a stable upward momentum. Buyers are gradually regaining the initiative, and the dynamics of movement are becoming smooth but steady. The indicators fully confirm what is happening. Their signals are directed upwards, which indicates the development of a new trend. This convergence of technical indicators and chart behavior reinforces confidence that the market is indeed changing direction. Judging by the structure of the movement and the increasing growth rate, the uptrend is forming confidently and looks stable. Everything suggests that the energy of the market is shifting towards buyers, and the upward movement will continue. I fix a plus of $920, which means good dynamics and confident control of the situation. The final moment of the day looks technical. Timer for 2 minutes. I open a trade for sale for $700. The price reaches the upper limit and cannot withstand the pressure. The movement loses its strength and turns down. Candlesticks become directional. The momentum changes to a downward one, and the signs of a trend reversal are clearly visible on the chart. This behavior of the market is quite logical. After an attempt at growth, buyers lose the initiative and sellers begin to dominate. The downward momentum looks confident. The movement structure becomes consistent and clean, without unnecessary fluctuations. All the signals indicate that the downward movement is only gaining strength. The probability of continued decline is high. The market is confidently moving into a new trend phase where sellers prevail. I'm adding another $644 to the balance, and my balance is already $6,044. Let's sum it up. I am happy with the result. My balance increased from $2,180 to $6,044. If you have any questions about the methodology itself or would like to understand more deeply, do not hesitate to write to me in Telegram. I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, for liking, and for subscribing to the channel. See you soon and have a successful trade.